With all the different transmission settings in an E23 transmission, there are several options for road transport. Some options may be better than others for different applications. Typically, the preferred, smoothest operation on the road is going to be to use the full auto setting. We can see here on our default tractor run page, we're currently set in full auto mode. If I needed to change that, I can go into my transmission settings, choose a different mode, but for today's application, we're going to go ahead and use full auto. In order to get up to transport speed, there are a couple different ways. So we can see we're beginning out about 2 miles an hour. Typically, our preferred operation for transport is going to be to move the tractor to full throttle position and then begin shifting the transmission up to the desired speed. So in today's application, we're not going to get completely up to road speed, but we can begin to see how the machine works. To slow down, we can pull back on the throttle, or we can shift back to a lower set speed. One option we could utilize is to adjust our set speed up to the full maximum transport speed of 26 miles an hour. I need to be very careful. If my throttle is in the full position and I would put the tractor into forward gear, it would try to get to 26 miles an hour in very short order, which is probably not what we would prefer. So make sure when you take off that the throttle is in the low position if your set speed is set very high. As stated before, we would prefer to begin with a lower set speed, begin moving the tractor, bring the throttle up to the full position, and then let the tractor come up to set speed. Use the shift lever to begin to slow the tractor, pull the throttle back, and apply the clutch or the brake to stop.